Hello, everyone. I'm Ethan, and welcome back, Mindset to Fluent English. Today, I'm here with my amazing co host, Lisa.
Hey, friends. So happy to be here. And Ethan, today's topic is super important.
Absolutely. We're talking about something that can completely change your life: public speaking tips for beginners.
Okay, quick question. Have you ever had to speak in public and suddenly your hands started shaking, your voice got weak, or your mind just went totally blank?
Oh, Lisa, you just described every beginner's nightmare. And let's be honest, if you've ever felt that way, you are definitely not alone. Public speaking is one of the biggest fears in the world, even bigger than spiders for some people.
That's so true. But here's the good news, it's not a talent you're born with, it's a skill, which means anyone can learn it. Yes, even you listening right now.
Exactly. And today we'll share simple, powerful tips that will help you speak with more confidence, more clarity, and a lot less fear. Whether it's in class, at work, or even introducing yourself at a wedding, these tips will make a difference.
So stick with us, because by the end of this episode, you'll see public speaking in a whole new way.
All right, Lisa, let's start with the big one. Why does public speaking even matter? I mean, why should anyone listening actually care?
Because, Ethan, every single opportunity in life connects back to communication, career, business, leadership. It all depends on how well you can express yourself.
Exactly. You might have the best ideas in the world, but if you can't share them clearly, people won't notice you.
Right. But if you can speak with confidence, people listen. They respect you, they trust you, and they remember you.
And here's the fun part: public speaking isn't just about standing on a big stage with a microphone.
Totally. It's also the small everyday moments, like introducing yourself in a meeting, asking a question in class, or even speaking English confidently with friends.
Which means if you've been hiding in the back row, it's time to move forward. Because whether you know it or not, your voice already has value.
And the world needs to hear it.
Okay, Lisa, let's be real for a second. Public speaking sounds exciting, but for most people, it's pure terror. Why are people so afraid of it?
Oh, yes, the big scary elephant in the room, fear. And honestly, there are some very common reasons behind it.
Number one, people think everyone in the audience is judging them. But here's the truth: bomb. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves to focus on your little mistakes.
Exactly. Half the audience is probably thinking, what if it were me up there? So in reality, they're not your enemies, they're on your side.
Number two, the fear of mistakes. People feel like if they say one wrong word, the world will collapse.
But mistakes actually make you human. No one expects perfect English, they just want to understand your message. And sometimes those little slip ups even make you more relatable.
Love that. And here's number three, the myth that great speakers are born, not made. People see confident speakers and think, oh, they were just lucky. Nope. Every single great speaker started out as a nervous beginner.
So if you feel nervous, congratulations, you're on the exact same path as every great speaker before you.
And that means your fear isn't a stop sign, it's just a starting line. All right, Lisa, enough about fears and myths. Let's give our listeners what they came for: real tips they can use today.
Yes, practical, simple, and powerful tips that can turn even the shyest beginner into a confident speaker.
Tip 1. Practice small. Don't start with a TED Talk, please. Start small. Talk to a mirror, record yourself on your phone, or practice with a close friend.
And here's the secret: consistency beats intensity. Just 1 minute a day is enough to build massive confidence over time. Think of it like brushing your teeth: tiny effort, big, long term result.
I like that. So, if you can brush your teeth daily, you can practice speaking daily too.
Now, a common fear is, what if I forget my words? The solution is simple: structure. Think of your speech as three parts: start, middle, end.
Exactly. Begin with a hook, like a question or a short story. Then share two or three main points. Don't overload your audience. And finally, finish strong, maybe with a quote or a clear message. That's it. No need for big, fancy vocabulary.
Yes, simple structure equals clear message equals confident delivery.
Tip 3. Control your body language. Here's something most people forget: your body speaks before your mouth does.
So true. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, make eye contact, and don't forget to smile. Even if your heart is racing, your body language can trick your brain into thinking, I've got this.
And bonus tip: avoid crossing your arms or hiding your hands. It makes you look closed off. Open posture shows confidence.
Now, this is powerful. If you forget something, don't freak out. Just pause. Take a breath.
Right. The funny thing is, the audience usually doesn't even notice. A pause can actually make you look calm and in control, but if you fill every silence with or that's when people notice.
Exactly. Silence is your friend. Use it.
Tip 5. Know your audience. Here's one of my favorites. Before you speak, ask, who am I talking to? What do they care about?
When you shift the focus from me to them, fear starts to fade. Because public speaking isn't really about you, it's about serving people with your words.
Beautifully said. Speak for them, not for your ego.
And the last tip: celebrate progress no matter how small. Even if today you spoke one full sentence with confidence, that's a win.
Yes, clap for yourself, smile, feel proud. Every small victory proves that you are growing, and growth is what this journey is all about.
Remember, confidence isn't built in one giant leap. It's built in small steps every single day.
All right, Lisa, I know our listeners have questions. Let's do a quick Q&A answering the things beginners always worry about.
Yes, because if you're wondering about these questions, chances are thousands of others are too.
Here's the truth. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. People don't connect with grammar. They connect with your message and your confidence.
Exactly. Focus on being clear, not flawless. Even native speakers make mistakes, and guess what? Nobody cares as long as they understand you.
Honestly, if people laugh, laugh with them. Don't take yourself too seriously.
Yes, a speaker who can laugh at their own mistakes looks strong, not weak. And trust me, people admire that courage.
So instead of shrinking, just smile, make a joke, and keep going. That's real confidence. Here's the golden rule: consistency beats everything. If you practice a little bit every single day, say for 30 days, you'll be shocked at your progress.
Think about it. 10 minutes daily for 1 month equals 5 hours of practice. That's huge growth.
Exactly. Don't wait for the perfect day to start. Start small, stay consistent, and the results will surprise you.
Ethan, be honest. Do you remember your very first public speech?
Oh, I'll never forget. My hands were shaking, my voice cracked. I dropped my notes, and for one terrifying moment, I even forgot my own name.
No way. You forgot your name?
Yup, but here's a twist. Everyone still clapped. And that moment taught me something big. Mistakes don't end your journey, they start it.
Exactly. Look at you now, speaking confidently to thousands of people. That's proof right there.
And that's a message for our listeners. Nervous beginnings can lead to powerful futures. Don't run from fear, turn it into your fuel.
Beautifully said. Fear isn't the enemy. It's actually a sign that you're growing and stepping out of your comfort zone.
So, next time you feel nervous, smile. It means you're leveling up.
And remember, every confident speaker you admire once stood where you are today.
So, friends, if you're ready to stop hiding and finally start speaking, take just one small step today. Maybe introduce yourself in English. Maybe ask a question in class. Just start.
Yes! Because your journey begins with that one brave step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it.
And remember, your voice matters. Your words can inspire, influence, and impact lives, but only if you share them.
Thank you for joining us today on Mindset Fluent English. We loved sharing this conversation with you.
So now it's your turn. Comment below and tell us what's your biggest fear in public speaking and which tip will you try first.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, and hit that little bell icon so you never miss our weekly podcasts.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, confidence grows every time you speak.
See you in the next episode, and until then, speak with courage.